Hi guys, it is officially summer now in sunny South Florida. And as you can see, I'm in my backyard with my pool. For those of you who know, I am a new pool homeowner. I've only had the pool for a few years since I moved down here. So keeping a pool clean is entirely new to me. You can also probably see that I have a ton of tropical foliage, lots of leaves around my backyard. And let me tell you, it has not been easy keeping that out of the pool. So for those of you who are like me and don't want to do that manual labor, I have something really exciting to share with you. You're going to love it. I'll be right back. So this is the Kokido XTROJET 620. It is a heavy duty cordless pool vacuum. This is perfect for cleaning up seasonal debris in large volumes. It is completely cordless. You just charge it and it does its thing. So there's no more manual labor when it comes to going into your pool with the fishnet and digging up the leaves. You can see these bags work amazing. They're going to pick up all sorts of debris from large leaves to the tiniest, most granular pebbles. At the core of the XTROJET 620 is a high-performance motor generating a powerful 62 gallons per minute flow rate, combined with a 360-degree ultra-wide suction inlet. It doesn't just grab leaves, it processes large volumes of debris, including twigs, acorns, and sand in a single pass. While standard cleaners clog or stall, this one keeps going. What really sets it apart is the massive 1.85 gallon, 7-liter debris storage system. It includes 2 interchangeable filter bags, a 250 micron bag for large organic waste, such as leaves and twigs, and a 149 microfine filtration bag for coarse sand. Users are finding that it even picks up what most expensive fancy robots miss, making it the most efficient leaf eater in its class. Instead of hours of manual cleaning, this system efficiently handles the heavy lifting, leaving you with a debris-free pool floor. It drastically reduces manual labor during your toughest cleaning months. So this is going to be ideal for pools up to 700 square feet, both indoor and outdoor, and it does have a super long battery. It will last up to 90 minutes of continuous use. Now, for those of you who live in areas where there are hurricanes, like where I am, you know that during those times we get a lot of debris in the pool. So this is even better for places like that. This is so easy to use, I cannot even tell you. There are no apps required, no complicated technology. There's simply a little switch right here in the front. You turn it on, you drop it in. There are also adjustable wheels in the back, which helps to avoid any dead zones in the pool, so it will automatically bring that area to get cleaned, so you're gonna get full pool coverage. And when it's done cleaning, it is an easy retrieval. So super easy and produces wonderful results. This is really the best ideal robot for heavy duty cleaning in your pool. It will get everything that sinks to the bottom. And if you're looking for something to pair it with, the skimmer, so it gets everything on top, the Better Robot is great for that. Those two combined are going to get your pool sparkling clean in no time at all. And you don't have to even lift a finger. So as you can see, guys, I'm a huge fan of the Kokido XTROJET 620. I just absolutely love it. It's been such a lifesaver. It is the perfect balance of power and suction and has really made my life so much easier. Why should you spend hundreds of dollars for a professional come and clean your pool every week or open up your pool, or thousands of dollars on some competitive products out there? This is a great value for your money, and I will go ahead and I will put a link in my description so you can check that out for yourself. I highly encourage you to do that if you have a pool. Go enjoy the summer. Don't worry about cleaning it. If you have any questions, by the way, please drop them in the comments. I would love to hear them. Happy to help where I can. And also make sure that you share the video with anybody else you feel would love to have this information. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the summer, enjoy your pool, and I'll see you all soon.